I chose Columbia State. The low tuition and scholarships meant I would not have to pay a dime.
I chose Columbia State because I knew that it would prepare me for taking care of patients in their most critical moments.
My Columbia State classes and internships taught me how to run my own business.
I chose to attend Columbia State because of their updated curriculum.
Columbia State prepared me to solve real-world problems.
I chose Columbia State because I needed a place where I could balance my family, my job, and my education. Now, caring for oncology patients in Columbus is my career.
Contributing to Columbus's medical supply chain industry is my career.
Now, I have a career as a software engineer in Columbus's booming IT industry.
I'm my own boss, and I'm helping to train the next generation of electricians.
Helping Columbus patients breathe easier is my career.
I chose Columbia State. Now, I'm transferring to a top university with zero college debt.